Welcome. In this video I will show you how to create or remove user accounts on LG Gram. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Then in Settings on the sidebar, select Accounts. Now scroll down to Other Users section and open it. Then click Add Account next to Add Other User. And then if you want to add another user using their Microsoft account, you're going to have to provide their email or phone number linked with their Microsoft account. If you want, and then you're going to have to provide the password and then create a PIN code for them, and then their account will be created, of course. And if you want to create an account locally, you have to select I don't have this person sign-in information on this page. Then you'll be able to either create an account for them or create a local account by clicking Add a User without a Microsoft account. Now provide a username for them and create a password for them too. And after you create a password for them, select some 3 security questions and give answers to them, and I recommend writing them down somewhere so you don't forget them, or the person you're creating an account for doesn't forget them, because in case they forget their password, they're gonna be able to recover it by answering one of the security questions. So provide the answers. Click Next, and now you can switch to their account. If you open Start, tap on your account, then tap the 3-dot icon in the top right corner of this window, and then select their account on the list. And after that, you're gonna have to provide their password, and then you'll be signed into their account. If you want to remove their account, you have to expand this list and then select Remove. However, you can only do this once you sign out of their account on your computer. Once you do that, click Delete Account and Data, and after that, their account will be removed from your PC. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.